What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is the Makeup Traveler here. If you're new or oldie but goodie, I thank you all for clicking on yet another video. So today we're gonna do like a foundation routine. Now this routine, it has the main parts that I normally use, but I added in one new product just to see how it was going to work, to see how it was going to do. And I wanted to show you guys that new product on today's video. So what I'm doing is just moisturizing my face. You can use any moisturizer you want to. I personally just use the moisturizer that I found, well, not really found, but that I was given in a Ipsy bag 1 month, which is the First Aid Beauty Ultimate Repair Cream. And I use my normal Wet n Wild primer. The foundation mix itself is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the colors, well, the shades 330 and 335. I use those two shades because I, number one, haven't found a perfect shade for my skin tone as of yet. And it also gives me that mix between the matte and poreless and the dewy finish, which I really like. So in today's video, we're actually going to add a new product, which is the Hard Candy Glamoflauge Heavy Duty Concealer in the color Tan. Now they've compared this concealer to the Tarte Shape Tape. I mean, I personally have never used the sharp I never have personally used the Tarte Shape Tape, but it definitely is a heavy duty concealer, as you guys will see in just a minute. Now I was able to cover both under eyes with this concealer, and it's very thick. It's very thick. I mean, like thicker than a pot of cold grits. Think of it that way. You know when your spoon gets stuck in the grits? Yeah, that's how thick it is. Like, I was able to take some from each eye and finish the rest of my concealed slash highlighted areas. So what I did was I, did the regular routine. I primed my eyes, I did my under eyes, my cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, and all of that. But the one thing I will say about it is it's really oily. It's oily, and the only way that I actually, calmed that down was before I started to blend it out with my wet beauty blender. I actually dipped my sponge in a little bit of setting powder. Dipping it in a little bit of setting powder kind of gives a barrier between your oily skin and the oils that come out of the concealer. And I also noticed that it was a tad bit too light to just be a concealer by itself. So I figured, okay, well, let me just get my foundation brush, even out the edges, and it can be my conceal and my highlight. Hey, it's like a 2-for-1 special. So I took the same setting powder that I used in the beginning, which is the Maybelline translucent setting powder in the color medium, and I used that to set my concealed areas. And I'm also going to contour with my Black Radiance light to medium palette. I'm going to use the contour and the sculpt out of that palette. And once I get done with that, I'm going to take that same brush that I used to dust away the setting powder and do my contour, and I'm going to go over the concealed areas just to add a little bit of warmth back to those specific areas. Now I'm going to take my Crayon case and Glow highlight. I absolutely love this highlighter. I use this highlighter in pretty much 99.8% of my looks. It just gives you that magnificent glow, honey. Like, your highlight be popping. Oh, your highlight be popping if you use this in the right way. Really, when you think about it, there is no wrong way that you can use this highlighter. This highlighter is just that bomb. So I'm gonna highlight my regular areas, my cheekbones, cupid's bow, nose, you know, just the regular stuff. And when I get done with that, I'm gonna add just a little bit of gloss to the lip, which is my NYX Fortune Cookie Butter Gloss. Alright guys, well that pretty much concludes this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up. I'll have all the products listed on the end screen, the little title page, and I'll also have them listed down in the description box below. I love you guys. I love you all. We've exceeded our goal. Yippee! And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.